I am Dr. Sashikant Tamrakar from Bharati College of Engineering and Technology. This is practical of B 8th semester IEM Industrial Engineering and Management. This is lab 8. Prepare job analysis, data sheet, job description and job specification. First we create the job analysis data sheet. Here job title on the top and job code we have to write. Then proposed title. Sometimes the job has started manufacturing but the title of that job had not been given. At that time the proposed title can be written here. Then department, from which department it is using, and report to whom, measure production or measure mechanical or measure maintenance, like this. Then person interviewed, how many persons we have interviewed for this job analysis. Then date of analysis. These all we have to write on the top of this job, like job summary, which type of job is that, where the job is used, then work performance, in which conditions the work has been done, regular duties, how many regular duties are given here, if some occasional duties used as per the need of the work job. So this, if there is any occasional duties, then we have to mention here. Then some periodic duty after other than our regular duty, if some periodic duty are needed for completing the particular job, then this has been written here. Then number of equipments for completing that job, if number of machines, different between machines we have used for completing the work, and is there any different tools are used for completing the job. All we have to mention which type of education are needed for that job. Then experience type and amount, means which type of experience is required and how much experience on that particular type of the experience. Then responsibilities for the product, which type of product have to manufacture and which material we have to use. If we use the material like stainless steel or any precious material, then the responsibilities are more. Then equipment and machineries, which type of equipment we have to use for doing that job is important, and that should be mentioned here. And which type of machineries, tools and tools used to conduct that job. Then work of others. Sometimes it happens while operating on some machine or some particular job, we have to take help from other employees also for doing the performance of the product job is correct. So the next is physical demands. What are the demands for physical? Then physical effort. If some heavy work to be performed, then we have to physically strong. If we have to cut some part with the hammer, then we have to eat properly for doing that work. Like mental effort, if we have to find some assembly type of job, then we have to our mental effort should be very clear, very safe, our mental, so we can assemble the parts properly in their place. So these are mental effort. Mentally we have to cool at our level. Then monetary, for doing any type of work, if some other help like some money is required to perform some operation from outside of the shop, that can also be mentioned here. And hazard, this is last but not least hazard. While we are performing on that job, if some hazardous conditions to be developed, then that should be informed well in earlier before starting the job. So these all we have to maintain for the job analysis. Description, in job description, job title, job card number, department and section are to be filled at the top of the job description. Then the job summary has been written here in the detail, and responsible for that department name is here, or that who is using that job is to be written here. If any kind of discussion about that job is required, then that can be discussed with their department. Their equipment and machine used here. If some different type of equipment or machineries used for preparing their job, then this is to be mentioned here. And working condition and hazard. What are the working conditions? How much light is required, how much if some hazardous is there, that should be written here for completing that job. So this is job description, contains all the information. Specification, job title present, what is the job title present, and if there any change proposed, then the job title proposed. Both the names have to be written here. Then job card number, which department is using this and which section in the department have to be written on the top of the job specification. Then factors, age description and degree and point have to be columned here. Here the first is education and knowledge for the job, making that job, which type of education and knowledge are required. Then experience of doing this particular job, how many times you have made this job. If the job is of greater importance, then this experience is important. Then responsibility for machinery and equipment. If different type of special machinery or special equipments are used for performing their job, then that has to be written in this job specification card. Then responsibility for work of others. Sometimes for performing their job, some other help from outside is also required. So this has to be responsibility for safety and of others. If some other people are involved while working in the job, then this has to be the responsibility of that man for the safety of others who involved. Then physical effort, which type of physical effort is required. If some heavy work is there, then proper diet should be taken by the operator. Then mental effort, if some complex type of working is there or some assembly type of working is there, then mental cool is very important. So mental effort is important. Then responsibility for product and material. This is the responsibility for the product, what is the output of the product and the material. If some valuable materials are used for preparing that product, so that is very important. Then next is working condition and hazard, which type of working condition are there, and if there is some hazard, then there should be